Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. As you can see with the key fob here, all the doors can be made power. If you're going to use this van for, say, a taxi cab, they all can be made manual very easy as well. I can open this entire brand new conversion. Again, this is a brand new conversion with just 2 fingers. Got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. I can take this down using only my index finger. Look there, very lightweight, spring assisted, very easy to do. 34 inches wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. 56 inches coming inside the door, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Might be a little less with the entertainment center there, so let's call it probably 55, 54 inside the van. The 8 tie down points can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. It's got the looks like that a spare tire mount in there. That's what that was, so that's why the holes are there. Hope you can see by our videos, we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. Cup holders in the rear. It's got 2 entertainment centers in here for the middle row and the rear. Between those seats is 21 inches. We can always get more narrow seats put in if you like. There's all kinds of things we can do to modify these vans. Let us know what your needs are. Let us build a van to meet your needs. The dash is in great shape. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control. Cup holders galore, plenty of plug-ins. Very nice condition, a little bit of wear there on the armrest. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each vehicle. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger. That's all it takes is 1 finger. Put it back up. Lock it down. You can operate this with a key fob with the buttons there. Let's say you're going to make this, I'll show you the interior while that's closing. Seats are leather, very clean, have the armrests on them. If you want to make these doors manual, say you're going to run a taxi service, you come up here, you hit off, that makes the doors manual. Slide it shut just like so and you're ready to go. It has the roof rack. I'm going to do a quick walk around. Paint's in excellent condition. Alloy wheels. The tires have a lot, and I mean a lot of tread left on them. It's hard to find a dent or scratch in this thing. I do see a little spot in the bumper. Looks like where someone touched up a little bit down there. Got the backup camera on it, like I said. Super clean. The front tires don't have quite as much tread on the back tires. They are fair condition. If you want us to put brand new tires on the front at your cost, we sure can. We try to do the basics on these. Little scuff right there. We don't try to make them brand new condition. We try to keep the price point affordable for customers in all budgets. This also has a remote start. Great feature to have this time of year as it's starting to get cold out, or even the summertime if you want your vehicle cooled off once you get in, or if you want it warmed up, vice versa. Power seats. It's got the VIN number. We always show you the VIN number so you know you're getting the van we say we're selling. There's a lot of people out there doing some crazy things. Has the adjustable foot pedals. That's also a very rare feature if you're a little taller or a little shorter than average. Current miles 98,000 and some change. Van fires up first time, every time. No check engine lights, no dummy, no airbag, no ABS, no dummy lights are on. Got the backup camera. Let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Very clean. No signs of any damage. We checked the frame rails, we checked the fender rails. We look over this van very thorough before we buy. I'm buying from the same perspective you are, folks. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I don't want something that's been flooded. I don't want something that's got a bunch of leaks, and that's why I'm crawling underneath the van here so you can see. Very clean. It's not all rusted out. There's no signs of any damage. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. You will notice our competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of the vehicle. I'm telling you what, rust is very, very costly to repair. Look how clean our vehicles are. So don't assume that it's rust-free. Don't assume that it runs and drives good. Don't assume that it's a good vehicle. Demand a video like this. Sorry about that, had a phone call come in, but just wanted to say I kind of lost my train of thought, but don't assume things. People get burned on the internet every single day. Don't be one of them. get yourself a detailed video, and if they won't get off their behinds and go make you a detailed video, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Buyer beware. Let me get this van on the highway so you can see it run. Before I do so, I want to show you we've tested all the power windows, power mirrors in this van. We have 3 mechanics that look these over. These are not just vans. We don't just buy these and throw them on the highway. We get them in, we put them up on a lift, we inspect them. I want you to know everything we know about this van, and when it shows up to your house, I want you to say this is exactly the van Jeremiah demonstrated on the video. So let's get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive. So you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our homework, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure this van is roadworthy. Good acceleration, popped it up to about 70. Got the cruise control set, steering wheel is nice and straight just like we like. It's not bouncing back and forth. Van runs and drives very nicely down the highway. And I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Please look at our reviews online, see all the great things people had to say about us. There's a reason we sell so many vans. It's our videos, it's our customer service, it's our prices, and it's our reputation. We are no pressure sales. I am not going to beg you or anybody else to buy this van. I promise if you don't buy it, someone else is gonna. So no pressure whatsoever. This does have the lane departure system as well. You can see a little triangle over there. Anytime someone's in my blind spot, that lights up yellow. So another great safety feature to have. And what I'll do is I'll take this next exit. I'll give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can hear the braking. Also keep in mind, we do not have any hidden fees. Most of our competition have $500 fees they put on. They call them administrative fees. They call them document fees. They call them tag fees. All sorts of crazy fees. I don't do business that way. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. Back to the competition versus us. Be sure to ask them about any hidden fees. If someone's hiding money from you on a van, what else are they hiding on that van? Everything we do is transparent, just like our videos. And speaking of our videos, you know, that's what we get out here, we crawl on the ground. I'm the owner of the company, I'm crawling underneath this van. Because I want you to know that you're not getting some rust bucket. You're not getting some vehicle that's been in a bad accident. I popped the hood. I want you to know the transmission's not slipping, that this van runs and drives good. Do you want to assume things? Do you want to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 and assume and hope it's a good van? Or do you want someone to get off their behind like I did today and crawl around on the ground when it's really hot outside so you know exactly what you're getting? Also, again, I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. Most of those used car salesmen will probably be working at another location, another dealership in a month or two. They really don't care if you get the truth. They really don't care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Well, I'll tell you what, folks, I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want your repeat business. I want you saying good things about us, and most of all, I want you to be happy and feel like you got treated fair with your mobility van. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to do business with an owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text message. 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Call one of those big companies. Try and get the owner's cell phone number. See if they care about customer service and about customer satisfaction enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. Give it a try. Let me know how that goes. To see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone. We can send one to your email. And again, keep in mind, we have free shipping in the lower 48 states. As always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.